line dancers, here we are again with another line dance tutorial. This is going to be for the electric slide, and if you're a beginner dancer, this is pretty much as easy as it gets when it comes to line dancing. So if you're a beginner, this is a perfect place to start. So let's just go ahead and get started. We're going to turn around and face forward, and our weight's going to be on our left foot. We're going to start by doing a grapevine to the right. A grapevine looks like this. You're going to take your right foot, you're going to step to the side, take your left foot and step behind it. Make sure you change your weight onto that left foot. Step to the side with the right foot and then touch your left foot next to the right. You're only touching your left foot and you're keeping your weight on your right foot. So once again, that's right, behind, right, and touch. Again, we go right, behind, right, and touch. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing to the left. We're going to do a grapevine to the left. So we're taking this left foot, we're stepping to the side. We're taking the right foot and stepping behind it, making sure to change our weight onto this right foot. And then we're going to step to the left again and touch our right foot next to our left. Okay, so once again, we had our left foot touched next to our right, and we go left, behind, left, touch. Okay, so if we do both of those together, it looks like this. Our weight's on our left foot, starting going to the right. Ready, go. Right, behind, right, touch. Left, behind, left, touch. Let's do that again. Ready, go. Right, behind, right, touch. Left, behind, left, touch. If you don't have that quite yet, go ahead and rewind that video and do it until you're caught up, and then meet me at the next part. Now we are going to walk backwards on this right foot. So our weight's still on our left foot. We're going to walk backwards, back with the right, step next to it with the left foot, then walk back again and touch. Okay? So once again, we are going back, together, back, touch. Okay? Make sure that you're going back together, your weight's on your left foot, and then back, place your weight on your right foot, then you touch your left foot next to your right, okay? So once again, that's back, together, back, touch. Now we're gonna do another section after that, but why don't we go ahead and practice doing it all together. Take it from the top, starting from the grapevine to the right. Ready, go. Right, behind, right, and touch. Left, behind, left, and touch, back, together, back, touch. Okay, one more time for muscle memory. Ready, go. Right, behind, right, and touch. Left, behind, left, and touch, back, together, back, touch. Moving on. Your weight should be on your right foot. You still have your left foot ready to go. We're just going to rock forward on this left foot and touch our weight, our right foot behind our left. So once again, it's forward, touch. Then we're going to do a backwards rock with our right foot, back, touch. Okay, so it's just forward, touch, back, touch. Okay, so after we did our little back, together, back, touch, we forward, touch, back, touch. Okay, we're almost done. Let's do the whole thing. And then we'll add the way we transition to our next wall. Ready, go. Right, behind, right, touch, left, behind, left, touch, back, together, back, touch, forward, touch, back, touch. If you're not there, rewind it and meet me here for the way we end this dance. What we're gonna do is after we did our back, touch, forward, touch, okay, we're going to do, so this is how it looks. I'm going to show you, okay? It goes back, together, back, touch, forward, touch, back, touch, and then we step, and we're going to scuff this right foot, okay? We scuff, and at the same time, we're going to do a quarter turn over our right shoulder, okay? So all of that looks like this. Back, together, back, touch, forward, touch, back, touch, and then we do a step, and scuff. And this is where we start right, together, right, okay? So let's try just that section, taking it from the back touches. Okay, back together, back, touch, forward, touch, back, touch. Then we do step, scuff, and turn. Okay, try it. Ready, go. Back together, back, touch, forward, touch, back, touch, step, and turn. Right behind, right, and left behind, left, and back together, back, and so on and so forth. But let's take it from the top, see if we can add the whole thing. Ready, go. Right behind, right, touch, left behind, left, touch, back together, back, touch, forward, touch, back, touch, step and turn, right behind, right, touch, left behind. See how after we scuff, we go right into the next wall and we repeat. But let's face this direction now. Some of my line dance instructor friends call it second wall amnesia. When you're facing a different direction, your brain might struggle a little bit to get what you have to do on the turn. But let's just practice, okay? So we're here, taking it to the right, okay? We're starting all the way from the top. Ready, go. Right behind, right, touch, left behind, left, touch, back together, back, touch, forward, touch, back, touch, step and turn and stop. You should now be facing away from me, away from your screen. And this is where you start the dance over again, okay? So stay right there, face away from me. Let's see if we can do it again. Ready, go. Right behind, right, touch, left behind, left, touch, back together, back, touch, forward, touch, back, touch, step and turn, right behind, right, touch, left behind, left, touch, back together, back, touch, forward, touch, and stop right there. Okay, now we are facing the front wall and we are back to where we started. So let's dance it all the way through, 4 walls, and then we will try it to music, okay? Ready, go. Right behind, right, touch, left behind, left, touch, back together, back, touch, forward, touch, back, touch, step and turn, right behind, right, touch, left behind, left, good, back together, back, forward, touch, back, touch, step and turn, right behind, right, touch, left behind, left, back together, back, touch, forward, touch, touch, step and turn, right behind, right, left behind, left, back together, back, touch, forward, touch, back, touch, step and turn, and starting over at the front wall. Great job if you've made it this far. We're going to put it to music now. This is a dance you will see done to a multitude of songs. Wherever you go, you'll see it. It'll always be a different song probably, but as long as it goes with the beat, you're good to go. So let's go for it.